Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set to avoid ferries in the Here We Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then just drag this section at the bottom of the page up to see more functions. And then at the account and settings section, click on the settings button. And at the navigation section, click on the route preferences button. And if you scroll down at the avoid section, just click on the little box next to the avoid ferries button. And once there is a tick next to the section, it means that this function is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.